So y'all, thanks to Newrez, we're in California, home to more active duty military personnel than any other state in the country. And right here in Oceanside, just outside of Camp Pendleton, where the surf town vibes meet military pride, you can feel the energy. Woo! And I'm so excited because today we're at MilSpouseFest. It's an event dedicated to the military spouses who keep everything running through every move, deployment, and all the chaos in between. It's their time to connect, to laugh, and to soak in the day that's truly about them. With the help of Newrez, we're about to surprise an amazing military spouse with a room restyle.
Last name is Diamond.
Everybody ready? We're ready? Okay. Hi, Jamie. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready for your room restyle?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. All right. Do you mind if we come in?
Come in.
Okay. Thank you. Our job is going to be to clear this out so that we have an empty space, and we've decided that we're going to do a baby nursery. Because you're expecting, and when are you due?
September 10th.
September 10th. Oh my gosh, right around the corner. Right around the corner. So we're going to set this up as a baby nursery. And we spoke a little bit after you won that you like neutral tones, but very girly. So sort of cream, beige, and muted pinks. All right, we're ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, so we're just gonna get started. Team, bring it in, team. All right, so we all have to work together. The point of a room restyle is that we work together. You're part of the process. I know you're pregnant. We're not gonna ask you to do any of the heavy lifting. You can point and tell us
You get to tell us
what to do. Okay. This room has been doing a little bit of everything: military gear, storage, overflow, just kind of a catch-all space. But with baby on the way, it's about to become something totally different. We're turning this into a nursery, a peaceful, welcoming space where this family can bond and breathe. The timeline is tight, got about 8 hours, and the budget is even tighter. This is what we got to work with, and we're gonna start to set this up as a nursery, but first thing we have to do is shop. But you know, with a little bit of heart and hustle and just enough vision, I think we can pull this off. Now, this is the fun part, shopping. Jamie and I hit the stores to start pulling together the pieces that will bring this nursery to life. One thing I love most about our room restyles is getting the family involved. It's not just about making a pretty space, it's about helping them discover what really works for their life, their style, and their story. Along the way, they usually learn a little something about design, and we always walk away with a few new memories too. This car is packed to the brim. Kind of looks like a PCS move. If you know, you know. Now we just need to get all the furniture and the baby accessories into the house. Luckily, I've got some great help today with a few of our Newrez volunteers. Thanks so much, ladies.
Before, after. A little bit of wallpaper, just changed up the whole picture after Michelle did some rub-on gold, so it looks a whole lot different for this room.
These frames were 75% off. Wrong style, right size. A little peel and stick wallpaper and markers gave them a new life and made PCS packing easy. Because I had to.
Oh, yes. Cute.
I had a military spouse that I met. We've been following each other on Instagram, but we met in person for the first time at MilSpouseFest. She made this. Thank you, Karen. Awesome. And now we're going to have this to be able to be in the room. I love it. Do you guys see this? It warms the wipes so it's not cold on the baby's bottom. Like, these are so cute. Remember we were talking about light color temperature for light bulbs? We went a little warmer because warmer makes babies calm. All right, I'm going to bring you into the room, and we hope you and your husband, your Navy sailor, love this nursery. We're so excited for your new baby. Open your eyes.
Oh,
Come on.
oh my God. Oh my
imagine that it will ever look like this. It's amazing beyond words. It took my breath away, literally, and I am just so grateful. I'm very, very, very grateful. I can barely manage to speak right now. I think I'm becoming one with this shade.